BI, etc., all at the same time. And it's a very, very convenient way to get started. When we are talking about bringing in data, which we will focus on as we go through the integration or the orchestration hub. This is the integration hub, which gives us the ability to start our pipelines and build our pipelines here. This is very familiar to Data Factory, right? The pipeline creation is the same as Data Factory, where you can go in and click on and develop pipelines very quickly from here. You can start your pipelines very quick and easy from here, which we'll take a look. And that gives us the ability to bring that data in from various sources. The monitoring hub gives us a one-stop shop to be able to monitor all our pipelines. So if we have any pipelines that are running, you can see that will show up. If you have any scheduled or any triggers that are event-driven or scheduled, those will show up here. And then you can see any integration runtimes. If you have any integration runtimes, they will show up here. Right. And then we can also see any of our SQL requests, for example. If we have a SQL request running on any of our pools, they will show up here as we go through and explore. So let's say if we have a SQL request, for example, they will show up here and you can look at what is running currently or what has completed. We can also see from right here our Spark applications. So any Spark applications that are running, any of the Spark items that are submitted, you can see it from right here. Let's go to the Management Hub quickly. In the Management Hub, you can see various items, including from the top. You can see this is where you would, if you need to spin up a new SQL dedicated pool, you can spin it up from right here very quickly and easy. It gives you the ability to provision it. We can also provision Spark pools from right here. So if you need to provision a new Spark pool, you would be able to do it here. Link services gives us the ability to be able to manage connections to various external resources. So if you need to bring data in from on-premise services or other cloud sources or Azure Data Lake or any Azure services, you can use the link services and there's built-in over 90 connectors here that we can leverage, for example, to bring in data from various locations that are on-premise, right, or in other clouds. All right. So finally, we can also control access from here. So if you need to grant access to the workspace to other users or groups, you can do that from right here also. So that's also another big advantage of being able to see everything in one place for management. All right, that was exciting. So Synapse Studio is the place to be. So kind of when we are actually designing modern data warehouse solutions with Azure Synapse, how do you actually design it, and how does this all fall into place? And we want to take a look at some of the usage patterns that our customers are using today to maximize the value for Synapse, right? So today, when it comes to data-driven organizations that need the capability for modern data warehousing and to be able to bring it all together at scale easily in one place, how is that happening, right? The process of building a modern data warehouse, what does it consist of? So when we look at it in that way, we have what is called, like, usually data integration and preparation, right? And we have our data modeling, making data ready for consumption by analytics. And then we also have what is called providing access to your data to be able to be consumed by various visual tools. So the three components that are core is the data ingestion, right, and preparation. And we can use that. That's kind of like our foundation. And customers can build a data lake to store all their data, right, from different